In this video, I'll guide you through the process of moving your Google Photos from one account to another. First, open your browser and sign into the Google account where your photos are stored. In the search bar, type Google Photos and press Enter. Click on the link that takes you to photos.google.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see all the photos saved in this Google account. To select the photos you want to transfer, hover your mouse over each image and click the small check mark that appears. If you want to select all the photos at once, click on the first photo, scroll down to the very last image, and then hold the Shift key while clicking on the last photo. This will select all images in between. Once your photos are selected, click on the share icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, click on Create Link and confirm by clicking Create Link again. Once the link is created, click Copy. Open a new tab in your browser and log into the Google account where you want to transfer these photos. Paste the link into the search bar and press Enter. You will see all the photos you selected earlier. To save them to your second account, click on the Save Photos option. This will add the photos to your new account. After refreshing your Google Photos page, you'll see that the images have been successfully transferred. It's a simple and efficient way to move photos between Google accounts without needing to download and upload them manually.